one of the first reasons why I no longer use rice water rinses. It's because I'm using this. Hey friends, hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is your girl, Michelle Ijama, and here we cover all things hair care, skincare, law, and living your best life. Today, I am going to be talking to you about why I don't use fermented rice water anymore. But before we jump into that video, we do have a sponsor. Shout out to Ana Luisa for sponsoring this video. For those of you who don't know, Ana Luisa is a sustainable jewelry brand that's focused on bringing us ethically produced luxury jewelry without the hefty price tag. They have some amazing Black Friday deals going on, so I just want to share a few pieces that I selected. First, I received this necklace right here. I picked this piece out because I thought it would layer perfectly with one of my favorite necklaces. I love that it is super minimal. I love that it is very dainty. It's super feminine. I love it, I love it, I love it. The next thing I got was this bracelet here. I picked out this particular bracelet because it is also super dainty, but then also bold and also eye-catching. I am a fan of jewelry that I can transition from day to night. You guys know that I'm a lawyer, so I like to wear pieces that I can obviously wear in the office that are not too loud, but then also can like transition to the post-work turn up, you know, the happy hours, the, you know, networking shindigs and all that kind of stuff. And so I just love that these pieces are so beautiful, like they're very soft, delicate, but then also bold. Finally, I got these hoops. I am a sucker for a particular type of hoop. They have to have the stud closure and they have to be super lightweight because I have sensitive earlobes. And so I'm not gonna lie, when I first saw these hoops online, I was a little bit skeptical, but then I decided, let me try them out because they are super cute, and I am extremely glad that I picked them out because they passed my test. They're light, they have the right backing, and they're very, very bold and cute. Normally I pair these with my turtlenecks and they are just wonderful, right? I do believe all these pieces are of good quality, and I also believe they are reasonably priced, especially with all of these holiday promotions that they have going on. So I'm going to link everything that I'm wearing in this video down below. Thank you so much, Ana Luisa, for sponsoring this video. Let's jump into our discussion about rice water and why I no longer use it. All right, so you all know that I am an advocate for using fermented rice water rinses. They are awesome and amazing. They are great for, you know, retaining length and promoting hair growth, as some people will say. Y'all know I've talked about it in numerous videos, all that will be linked down below. You know, I love rice water rinses. I love that it is easy to make, it's affordable, and it actually gives you results. I still am an advocate for the use of rice water. It has done amazing things for my hair. However, over the past few months, I would actually say like a year, I have become extremely lazy, or I've become a lax natural. Let me be kind to myself. I've become more of a lax natural, and so I'm not interested in, you know, the preparation periods that come with, you know, making your own DIYs. I like to be able to just grab products and use, and in order to get the full benefits of even using a rice water rinse, there's an additional step to ensure your hair doesn't break off, and that's using a hydrating deep conditioner after. And so I'm kind of in a place where I kind of want to cut the steps from my wash day routines, and I also don't want to prepare products to use on my hair. I know. I love DIYs, but I just have needed a break, especially with things like ramping up around work and me being extremely busy over the year. And so I embarked on this journey to find products that still contain rice water and still offer the same benefits as fermented rice water. And I want to talk about using those because I have found a couple of products that are excellent substitutes for a rice water rinse, and I feel they are giving me the same exact benefits, helping me with length retention, and, you know, I wouldn't say promoting growth because I think rice water doesn't necessarily promote growth as much as it helps with retaining the growth that comes from your scalp. So yeah, the first product that I want to talk about is the Marley Hampton Rice Water Deep Conditioner. In fact, this is a whole new jar because that's how much I use this product. I have nothing but phenomenal things to say about this. Not only does it contain fermented rice water, but it also contains a bunch of beneficial Ayurvedic ingredients. If you guys want to see my full thoughts on this particular deep conditioner, check out my review, which I'll link down below and in the cards. I absolutely stand by this product because it does what a normal rice water rinse would do. The only thing is you don't have to follow up with a hydrated deep conditioner or anything like that. It is a balanced deep conditioner and my hair absolutely loves it. And so I found that this has made for a great substitute to my rice water rinses, which, you know, I'm singing hallelujah for, because again, if I can eliminate a step in my wash day routine, I'm not complaining, I'm happy. And so yeah, that's one of the first reasons why I no longer use rice water rinses. It's because I'm using this black rice water deep conditioner. The one thing that I want to say is that if you're going to be using this deep conditioner, do not use it every other week. I believe her instructions are to use it every 3 weeks or only twice a month. My recommendation is to use it twice a month. At least that's what I've been doing for my hair, because if you use it more than that, it will have your hair feeling a little dry. And if you want to avoid breakage, you want to follow the instructions. The next product that I want to talk about is the Curlsmith Super Slip Prebiotic Primer. Now, I received this product as part of a collaboration for Instagram, and I have been using it ever since. I love it because obviously it contains fermented rice water along with a whole bunch of other awesome ingredients, but I also love the fact that it has excellent slip and it really assists with my detangling process. So I'm getting the benefit of using, you know, rice water in addition to having a product that helps with actually detangling my hair before I do my entire wash day routine. And so I love it. It smells good. I've noticed that my hair feels extremely soft, but also super strong. I like to use this primer right after having my hair in a long-term protective style or after having my wash and go for about 7 days. That being said, I do not use both of these products at the same time. So the weeks that I am not using the black rice water deep conditioner, I use the Super Slip Prebiotic Primer. That is it. I just alternate between the two. That way I am getting the rice water treatment in every single week, but I'm still not adding extra steps to my routine, if that makes sense. If you guys want to see how it is that I'm actually using this, like you actually want me to film a video where I show you what I do one week versus what I do the next week, then definitely let me know down in the comment section. If you guys have tried either one of these products, go ahead and let us know down below. Share any tips or tricks that you have for using these products. I definitely recommend. Again, don't forget to check out Ana Luisa, especially if you are looking for nice Christmas gifts for yourself or somebody else. They have excellent deals going on. Thank you all so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next one. Deuces.